Like a favorite family recipe passed down through the generations, Sweet Surprises Bakery in Woodward has stood the test of time. Beautifully decorated cookies and cakes, delicious pies, and homemade cinnamon rolls. Sweet Surprises is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth.
You gotta just get these good and slathered because this is what everybody likes.
Mary Hamilton opened Sweet Surprises 30 years ago. She has since passed the apron down to new owners. Still, the years inside this bakery are some of her sweetest memories.
A bakery is a happy place because when people come up, especially small children, and they look at the cookies, they smile, they're happy. We were a part of every party, every celebration, and every wedding because in those days, the supermarket bakeries were not here yet. We were the only show in town.
I have always loved baking. I started decorating when I was a senior in high school.
Kelly Robinson now owns Sweet Surprises, and yes, she still uses many of Mary's original recipes.
Why change something that's good? If it's not broke, don't fix it. We do the decorated cookies, and for every holiday we have different cookies. We do birthday cookies, we do sports cookies. I've had people call and want a specific something, and Pinterest is going to be the death of me, by the way, because they come up with so many different things.
For me, Sweet Surprises is a piece of my childhood and a piece of home. I had my birthday cakes from here, my wedding cake was made here, and of course, I grew up coming here with my grandmother and my parents, and I grew up on these cookies. They're just as good today.
Holidays are really awesome around here. You're crazy busy and you love every bit of it, so it's just kind of a lot of fun. We sell a lot of cookies. I mean, during the holidays, we can go through in 2 days' time, I think it was at Valentine's, we did 540 dozen.
Baking is Kelly's passion, and her secret ingredient is her staff, which includes her husband and family.
My husband does the sugar cookies. He rolls them and bakes them and glazes them.
Each cookie, each sweet here is baked with love. And like a favorite family recipe passed down through the generations, Sweet Surprises Bakery continues to stand the taste test of time. In my hometown, Woodward, I'm Tina McGarry, discovering Oklahoma.